Okay, going over the sound settings for the VX-3000. Here, first you'll see the in tab. What this is the overview of the input channels for the VX-3000. So here you can adjust your volume, your filters, your FPS, your Vox, and your compression. All those settings, this is where you set those up, and for every input you can choose it from here. Moving over, you have basically the same thing, but now for the outputs. So now you can adjust the outputs of your VX-3000. And again, the channel you can choose from here, the volumes, BGM offset, the different filters, compression, and delays. Moving over from there, next we have the ANC. The ANC here, if this will be enabled if you have an ANC mic connected. If you don't have it enabled, then this would be grayed out. But when it is enabled, this is where you can set that up. Here, the whole point of this now is, so let's say you have a lot of background noise, but so you want your announcements to be heard, so you want the volumes to be raised up. So the ANC now is going to have a reference level, detect that the room is louder, and be able to increase that level as it sees fit. And so this is the tab where you will adjust that. You can see you have the on and off, you have ANC, the sample time, max level, min level, gain ratio, and absolute zero. And initialize. With initialize, this is now where it can get a base level reading of the room. So it has a reference. From there, it can either decrease volume or increase it. Moving over, next we have the surveillance mail settings. Essentially, if something is detected, like a failure of any sort, if you, let's say I put this in used as it is, I could have this email specific people of certain issue that's going on. If I don't want that, then I would just put this in not used, and this will stay grayed out. What you also notice is that when I have it in used here, you also see the mailing list available. And again, this is only available because I have it in use. Once I have it in not used, it will not be available. Moving over now, lastly, we have the timer settings. The timer setting here, this is where now you can make your schedule. Either be your daily timer, your daily program, your weekly program, and even the holiday program. So this part, they're pretty self-explanatory. What's something to keep in mind is, so your function here, in my case, I can have it activate general broadcast pattern. That pattern, it could be pattern number 1, which right now my pattern number 1 is the bell, and so on. I can set the time and keep that going on. And from there, this goes over the different tabs for the VX-3000. The only tab you see below that's grayed out is the setting mismatched, and that will only appear when you have a mismatch of a setting. So let's say, for example, if I have an IP conflict, so I have 2 units of the same IP, this would pop up, you would click it, and it will tell you the issue that's happening, the issue that it detects, so you can correct it. Otherwise, that goes over the VX-3000. Thanks for watching.
Dr. Sound. TOA.